Question 1. In the equation above, A is a constant. For which of the following values of A will the equation have no solution? So you can see that only when A is 0 will the equation have no solution, because when A is 0, the left-hand side becomes 0 and the right-hand side is 5, which are not equal. So A is the answer. If 3 times 3x plus 5 is 2x minus 8, what is the value of x? 9x plus 15 is 2x minus 8. So 7x is minus 23. So x is minus 23 by 7. For the linear function h, the table above shows several values of x and their corresponding values of hx. Which of the following defines h? Okay, so we can use y is equal to mx plus c. So the slope is 7 minus 1, 6, 4 minus 2, 2. So slope is 3. So then y is 3x plus c. And we can find c using 2, 1. So 1 is 6 plus c. So c is negative 5. So h of x is 3x minus 5. Option B. Terence's car contains 8 gallons of fuel. He plans to drive the car m miles using the fuel currently in the car. If the car can drive 20 miles per gallon of fuel, which inequality gives the possible values of m? Okay, so on 1 gallon, the car can drive 20 miles. So on 8 gallons, the car can drive 160 miles. So m, which is the distance that Terence wants to go, should be less than or equal to 160, option A. In the figure above, line T interacts line L and K. Which of the following statements, if true, would imply that lines L and K are parallel? Okay, W equal to Y is always true because they are vertically opposite. So that doesn't tell me that L and K are parallel. W equal to Z tells me that they are parallel because these are alternate exterior angles. So this should be my answer. X equal to Z are same side exterior angles. So they do not have to be equal. For parallel lines, their sum should be 180. So this doesn't tell me. And x plus y is 180 is always true because these are angles on a straight line. Blood volume in a human can be determined using this equation where Vp is the plasma volume and H is the hematocrit. Which of the following expresses the hematocrit in terms of the blood volume and plasma volume? So Vb is Vp by 1 minus H. So 1 minus H is Vp by Vp. So H is 1 minus Vp by Vp. So option A. What is the solution to the equation above? Okay, so I can say that 2 times x plus 1 by x plus 5 is x plus 5 minus 1 by x plus 5. So we can cancel these two under the condition that x should not be negative 5. So 2x plus 2 is x plus 4. So x is 2. Yeah, so x is 2 is the solution. Which of the following is a solution to the equation above? 2x square minus 2 is 2x plus 3. So 2x square minus 2x minus 5 is 0. So x is 2 plus minus 4 plus 40 by 4. So that's 2 plus minus root 44 by 4. So that's 2 plus minus 4 into 11. So 2 root 11 by 4. So that's 1 plus minus root 11 by 2. So 1 plus root 11 by 2 d. Which of the following is not a factor of the polynomial 2x cube plus 11x square plus 5x? So taking x common, 2x square plus 11x plus 5. So 2x square plus 10x plus x plus 5. So 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. So x is a factor, x plus 5 is a factor, and 2x plus 1 is a factor. So d is not a factor. The graph in the xy plane of the linear function contains the point 3, 4. For every increase of 5 units in x, fx increases by 3 units. Which of the following equation defines the function? So the slope is given as 3 by 5 because for every increase of 5 units in x, fx increases by 3 units. So I can say y is 3 by 5x plus c. And then I can substitute 3, 4 here. So 4 is 9 by 5 plus c. So c is 4 minus 9 by 5, which is 11 by 5. So fx would be 3 by 5x plus 11 by 5, option C. The table above gives selected values of a polynomial function p. Based on the values in the table, which of the following must be a factor of p? So we know that when we have a polynomial, wherever the polynomial meets the x-axis, that is wherever you have x-intercepts, those give you the factors. So for example, let's say this is -3, 1, and 3. Then the factors of, let's say this is fx, the factors of this would be x plus 3, x minus 1, and x minus 3, right? Because those are the x-intercepts. So here the x-intercepts are -1 and 2. So x plus 1 and x minus 2 would be factors. X plus 1, x plus 1 times x minus 2, d. The function g is defined by the equation above. Which of the following points in the xy plane is an x-intercept of the graph of the equation y equal to gx? Okay, so for x-intercept, gx should be 0. So 0 is 2 to the power x minus 2. So 2 to the power x is 2. So x is 1. So the x-intercept would be 1, 0, which they have written as 1, g1, because the value of the function at x equal to 1 is 0. So C. Which of the following is a graph in the xy plane? So I can write this as minus x times x minus 4. So the x-intercepts are 0 and 4. Yeah, so this is out and this is out. Now this has x-intercepts of 0 and -4. And this has x-intercepts of 0 and 4. So this is also out and this is the right answer. The other thing you can see is that the leading coefficient is negative. So the parabola should open downward. So D. In the complex number system, what is the value of the given expression? So I squared is I into I. So that is -1. And minus I, the whole squared, is minus I into minus I, which is again I squared, which is -1. So -1 plus -1, -2. The dimensions of a right rectangular prism are 4 by 5 by 6. What is the surface area of the prism? So if this is my prism, then let's say this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So there are two faces with area of 4 by 5. So that's 40. Two faces with area 5 by 6. So that's 60. And two faces with area 6 by 4. So that's 48. So 148D. If xy is the solution to the given system of equations, what is the value of y? So x is 2. So 6 plus y is 29. So y is 23. A pizza parlor sells pizza slices for $3 and calzones for $4. A group of friends spent $51 on pizza slices and calzones at the parlor. If they bought 6 calzones, how many pizza slices did they buy? Okay, so 3 pizza slices plus 4 calzones, the total is 51, right? Because per pizza slice, you pay $3 and per calzone, you pay $4. And they got 6 calzones. So 3p plus 24 is 51. So 3p is 7 and this would be 2, right? So the number of pizza slices would be 9. If air resistance is ignored, the function h defined above models the height above ground in feet of a toy rocket t seconds after it is launched from the roof of a building. Based on the model, what is the height above ground of the toy rocket 1 second after launch? So we'll put t is equal to 1. So h of 1 will be minus 16 plus 48 plus 72. So that's 32 plus 72. So 104. The points plotted in the coordinate plane above represent the possible number of wallflowers and cornflowers that someone can buy at the garden store in order to spend exactly $24 total on the 2 types of flowers. The price of each wallflower is the same and the price of each cornflower is the same. What is the price in dollars of 1 cornflower? Okay, so for 1 cornflower, I can use the x-intercept. So basically, this is 16, 0, which means that for $24, I can get 16 cornflowers and 0 wallflowers, right? So that means that 16 cornflowers cost $24. So 1 cornflower will cost $1.5. So the price of 1 cornflower is 1.5. If square root of x to the power 5 by third root of x to the power 4 is x to the power a by b, what is the value of a by b? Okay, so square root of x to the power 5 divided by third root of x to the power 4. So this can be written as x to the power 5 by 2 divided by x to the power 4 by 3, which is x to the power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3, which is x to the power 15 minus 8. So that's x to the power 7 by 6. So a by b is 7 by 6. Okay, let's grade this. Question 1. Double A, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, B, D, D, C, A, B, D, D, C, 11, D, C, D, A, D, D, C, D, A, D. 16, 23, 9, 104, 23, 9, 104, and 1.57 by 6. 1.57 by 6. Okay, great. So we got all correct.